Imagine waking up in 2026 with your bank account looking way different. Fuller, healthier, unstoppable. This is your roadmap to financial freedom and eventually becoming a millionaire by 2026. Your emergency fund should cover 6 months of expenses minimum. Claim every cent of free money. You know what separates millionaires from the rest of us? How long you have to hold those shares or when to sell them to avoid tax headaches. Subtract your total debt from your total assets. Here's a millionaire habit to steal. December 31st is your deadline to lock down spending limits. That's exactly what tax loss harvesting does. Ready to see where you stand? Crazy money moves you must make before 2026 to become a millionaire. This isn't just another money video. Imagine waking up in 2026 with your bank account looking way different. Fuller, healthier, unstoppable. Sounds amazing, right? But here's the truth. Getting there won't happen by luck or daydreaming. It happens because you take the right steps right now before the year ends. If you've ever wondered exactly what actions set millionaires apart from everyone else, this video is your answer. No vague tips, no boring, save money, spend less nonsense. Instead, I'm sharing 9 powerful, practical, and eye-opening financial moves that you must do before 2026 arrives. These steps are tried and tested, proven by wealthiest people, and designed to give you a massive advantage for the year ahead. And trust me, the last one is so important, it could change your life forever. So if you're ready to quit waiting and start winning, hit the like button and strap in. This isn't just another money video. This is your roadmap to financial freedom and eventually becoming a millionaire by 2026. So let's get started. Number 1, take stock of your cash. The real millionaire starting point. Before you think about investments, side hustles, crypto or stocks, you need to know exactly where you stand now. Forget vague guesses. Forget probably enough in my bank account. Let's get hyper-specific millionaire style. Here's your blueprint. Open up every single bank account. Money, market fund, high-yield savings accounts, and even count your cash under the mattress. Tabulate your liquid assets, anything you can convert to cash in 1 to 3 business days. Your emergency fund should cover 6 months of expenses minimum. Add on any near-term saving goals. Think about house down payments, unexpected medical or travel expenses. Example, if your security blanket is $25,000 for emergencies and you are targeting a $20,000 down payment, your cash goal is $45,000. Why does this matter? Because liquidity is king in 2026. Too many assets tied up, zero flexibility when opportunities come knocking. Instead of leaving it to chance, set up individual accounts for your emergency and short-term goals. Get organized and know your number as you roll into the new year. Number 2, claim every cent of free money. Don't be that 1 out of 3 people who misses out. You know what separates millionaires from the rest of us? It's not just big paychecks, it's the fact that they never say no to free money. Crazy fact? Almost 1 in 3 people ignore their employer's 401k match. That's literally walking away from free cash. Here's how it works. If your employer matches your contributions, say up to 4%, and you make $100K a year, that's $4,000 of free money just sitting there waiting for you. You'd never ignore a $4,000 bonus, right? So why ignore this? And don't stop there. Check if your company has an employee stock purchase plan, that is ESPP. Some companies like Adobe let you buy shares at a 15% discount. That's instant profit before the stock even moves. Just remember, always read the fine print. There might be rules about how long you have to hold those shares or when to sell them to avoid tax headaches. Bottom line, real wealthy builders don't skip opportunities. If your boss isn't matching your money, use every other perk they offer. Because millionaires, they grab every cent others leave behind. Step 3. Calculate your liabilities. Knowledge is power. Let's get real for a second. Everyone talks about how much money you make or what you owe. But what about what you owe? That's the secret sauce millionaires focus on. It's not just about assets, it's about knowing exactly what's dragging your net worth down. Here's the game changer. Write down every single debt you have: car loans, credit cards, personal loans, mortgages, everything. Then rank them by interest rate. That 20% plus credit card interest, treat it like a fire you need to put out fast. Once you have your liabilities mapped, it's time to add up everything you owe: your savings, investments, house, car, even business shares. Subtract your total debts from your total assets, and just like that, you've calculated your net worth. Here's a millionaire habit to steal. Don't obsess over your net worth daily. It will swing up and down with the market. Instead, check it every few months or even once a year to keep your sanity and focus. Net worth tracking isn't just numbers, it's your personal financial GPS. Ready to see where you stand? Drop your net worth journey in the comments and grow richer together. Number 4, audit your big 3 expenses. The real money leaks if you want to hit millionaire status in 2026. You need surgical precision with spending. Forget obsessing about tiny purchases. Focus on the massive 3: housing, transportation, and food. These eat up 60 to 70% of most budgets. Here's your millionaire audit. Housing. Is your rent outpacing your income? Could a clever money save you $500 per month with only minor trade-offs? Transportation. If you're dropping big bucks on a fancy car, think long term. Could switching to a fuel efficient vehicle or public transit shave thousands of your annual costs? And food. Ditch autopilot spending. Reevaluate meal delivery, dining out, and grocery habits. Sublet tweaks. Major results. Millionaires make every dollar work harder. The goal isn't to live cheaply, it's to be intentional. December 31st is your deadline to lock down spending leaks. Look for high impact changes, not tiny sacrifices. Share your biggest expense. Win in the comments. Let's celebrate frugal victories. Number 5. Master tax loss harvesting. The millionaire's secret weapon. Imagine the government handing you a legal way to cut your tax bill just because some of your investments were down. That's exactly what tax loss harvesting does, and most people ignore it. Here's the simple idea. If you have stocks or funds that are in loss this year, you can choose to sell them and lock in the loss on paper. Then you use that loss to cancel out some of the profit, which is capital gains you made from another investment. So, if you made $7,000 on one stock but lost $5,000 on another, you're only taxed on $2,000 and not $7,000. That's one big rule, the wash sale rule. You can't just sell at a loss and buy the same thing back within 30 days. If you do, you lose the tax benefit. Huge loss 1 year, you don't waste it. You can use part of it to reduce tax on gains now and carry the rest forward to future years. Often up to a set amount, set year can even reduce your regular income tax. It sounds technical, but once you do it, it feels like finding hidden money. If you've ever used this strategy, share your experience in the comments. And number 6, review and renegotiate every bill. Easy money in minutes. Here's millionaire's secret nobody talks about. Rich people don't just negotiate salaries, they negotiate everything. And the crazy part, most of us pay bills blindly for years without even questioning them. Cable, internet, phone plans, insurance, credit cards, all of it. But here's the truth. One 5-minute phone call can save you hundreds, even thousands every single year. Try this. For internet or cable, hey, I've been a loyal customer. Can you check if there's any discounts or renewal offers I can get? For insurance, car, health, home, I'm comparing rates and are there any loyalty discounts or promo options I should know about? For credit cards, is it possible to lower my interest rate or lock any promotional offers? That's it. No fancy words, no stress, just asking the right questions. Millionaires do this constantly, not because they're in need, but because they understand something most people don't. Companies won't tell you where you can save unless you ask. So review every bill, renegotiate every year, stop overpaying for things you already use. And number 7, know your savings rate. Your millionaire scorecard. Let me ask you something real. How much do you actually save every month? Not what you think you save. I mean the real number, because here's the truth. Millionaires treat their savings rate like it's an Olympic scorecard and they know it. They track it, they obsess over it, and if you don't know yours, don't worry. Let's figure it out right now. Step 1. 1, note down your monthly income. Step 2, write your average spending from the last 3 months, rent, food, Swiggy, random impulse buys, everything. Step 3, subtract expenses from income. That's your actual savings. Step 4, divide that savings number by your income. Convert it into a percentage. That percentage, that's your saving rate. Now here's the benchmark. 15 to 20% savings rate, you're doing well. 25% or more, that's the elite level. That's future millionaire level. That's the zone where wealth starts compounding like crazy. And honestly, most people in our community are already hitting 25% plus, which is insane in a good way. And last, number 8, set laser focused financial goals for 2026. Ever notice how millionaires don't try to do everything at the same time? They're not superheroes. They just pick a couple of big goals and go after them like their life depends on it. That's the real secret. Focus, not 20 goals, just 1 or 2 that actually matter. Maybe for you, it's starting a 5 to 9 plan for your kids' college so they don't grow up stressing about fees the way many of us did. Maybe it's opening a custodial IRA for them, letting their money grow before they've even entered the college. For yourself, it could be something solid and practical. Maxing out your IRA, contributing fully to your 401k, or financially building the emergency fund everyone talks about but no one actually completes. Or maybe your big win this year is clearing debt, credit card, car loan, or even a chunk of your home loan. And here's where millionaires are different. They don't just set goals, they break them down. Got a 14 lakh rupees car loan, you want gone in a year, divided. That's about 1.17 lakh a month. Too much? Then you adjust. Earn more, spend less, or restructure. But you stay on track. That's how real wealth is built. One clear target, one honest plan, one focused year at a time. So drop all your numbers below: liquid assets, net worth, savings rate, 2026 goals. Share your strategies and let's create an unstoppable millionaire mindset in the comments. Smash like if you learned something. Subscribe for a more exclusive deep dives. And don't miss the next video featuring 10 mind-blowing money stats about the average person. You won't believe the number 1 on the list. Happy New Year, or happy almost New Year. This is your year. Millionaire status isn't fancy. It's math, discipline, and a few not so secret hacks. Peace out, future millionaires. Let's crush 2026 together.